Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back after a 3-day weekend. Looking at the overall economical calendar, you guys can see that overall we have no real information coming out today. Tomorrow we have PMI at 9:45 and the Fed Beige Book. Thursday we have some initial jobless claims, some labor information, and some Fed speakers coming out from 9 a.m. all the way down towards I think all the way until like 7 o'clock in the afternoon. So definitely want to pay attention on Thursday. Powell is not speaking, it seems like, on Thursday, but on Friday we have some information coming out as well. Overall, definitely want to pay attention to Thursday, maybe on Wednesday as well. But overall, that's it. Let's jump into the charts. Let's look at the top two stocks I'm watching today. If you guys guessed it, Tesla and SPY, right? Jumping over towards the 20-day. You guys can see Tesla's 20 days a little bit more on the oversold side, especially after the massive sell-off it had from 258 all the way down towards 242. Wouldn't be shocked if we bounce over here. It's actually looking like a double bottom where we hit this level once, that 242, we bounce. We're still below the trade line and we came back down towards that 242. It looks like we're trying to get back up. It is fighting the 1-year EMA line over here, so we need to get above 246 before we can start pushing up towards 248 and possibly higher. So definitely watch out for that. That 1-year EMA at 246 can act as a possible resistance. If we do go to the downside, let's jump over towards the 180-day. To the downside, you want to watch for a break and hold below 242. So as we start holding below 242, we could start fading down towards 235. There's no real support and resistance levels over here. The MACD is crossed down on the 180-day. RSI has room to travel, but overall, I do think possibly we could get a bounce. If you're looking at the 15-minute, 15 minutes a little bit more on the overbought side, you guys can see we are starting to try to reject that 1-year EMA over here at that 246. So let's see what happens. Let's see what this RSI looks like closer to the bell. So definitely make sure you guys check that 15-minute out closer to the bell. We could start basically reversing or just trading sideways. You guys know how Tesla loves to trade sideways. If we do break that 246, that 242 level, the next possible level of support could be the 20-day EMA line, not EMA line, SMA line over here. You guys can see the SMA over here. So if we break 242, we could basically come down towards 239 over here. And after 239, we could start going down towards 236. Next stock we're going to talk about is SPY. Looking at SPY overall on the 20-day, we had a sell-off from 453 to where it's at right now, which is around 450. We're below the 180-day, and we're trying to get below the 20-day. I believe the 180 days actually cross bearish right now. As you guys can see, we're cross bearish on the 180-day, and we're actually starting to form candles that are holding below the 180-day, and that is a bearish sign, right? Major level to watch for today is 449. If we break 449, we can start basically dropping down towards these 447 levels. Definitely a nice watch to watch, nice level to watch. Let's jump over towards the 20-day. Looking at the 20-day over here, if we were to flip bullish, right, we want to watch for a break and hold above the 180-day EMA, which I haven't marked over here. So watch for the break of 450.74, and then we could start pushing up towards 452, maybe even retesting that 453. Overall, we are trying to hold below the 20-day as well. 20-day MACD is holding flat, so definitely want to see if this tries to open up to the downside, and then we could catch that short from 449 down towards those 447s, and then maybe sit right above that 446 level. Let's see what happens. Could be an interesting day. Remember to practice extreme patience, especially since we had a 3-day weekend. Volume may be light today, so make sure you guys wait for your A+ setups and don't take anything else. That's going to be it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.